In front of me is NOKIA G42, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Need to begin by tapping on Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in Sound Recorder. Following that, download this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now select while using the app in the pop-up and allow in the other one. To start your recording, tap on this red button. Then select Allow or Don't Allow in a Notifications pop-up. As you can see, recording is on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, you can do that thanks to this little white button. In order to end it and save it though, tap on the same middle one. Now you can name your recording however you want to and hit OK in the pop-up. Finally, to access a list of all your recordings, tap on those headphones at the bottom left corner. Close the nut, and as you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to tap on it and then select the bin at the bottom left corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then hit Allow in the other one.
Hello.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!